everyone, and welcome to a new episode of Crafting with Cosplay Fabrics. My name is Indra, and today I'm going to show you part 2 of the painting tutorial where we are painting EVA foam armor. For this tutorial I'm going to be using acrylic paint, and I'm using the brushed metal paints and a foam brush. So I'm just taking a little bit of that paint and I'm using a paper towel to get all that excess off. What you want to do is do one direction brush strokes, and it will look very transparent at first. Don't worry, you want to do this in layers, so when that first layer is dry, then you want to go into your next layer in a different direction and let that dry and repeat the process. And you're going to end up with this really beautiful brushed metal sort of gilded look. From here you want to emphasize the weathered parts, and so I'm using this brushed metal black. It's not like a deep black, more of like a grayish color, and I'm just kind of going over all of the edges and feathering them out. Then I'm gonna go back with that brush that I used before with that silver and just lighten up all of that to make it look a little more like water, sort of weathered. Then I go in with a really deep black and really emphasize those dark corners, and that's it. I hope that you like this tutorial. I hope you find it useful for your projects. This is a great way to emphasize if you have really detailed armor. Please like and subscribe. I hope that you liked it, and I will see you soon for another tip, trick, or tutorial featuring cosplay fabrics. See you soon. Bye-bye.